In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account on Depop and get paid through direct deposit. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to depop.com. Once you're there, log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct seller account, especially if you manage more than one profile. It's also a good idea to do this on a secure, private internet connection since you'll be working with payment information. After you're logged in, look to the top area of the page and click your profile picture. This will open your account menu. From there, choose your selling hub. This is where Depop keeps the main tools and settings related to selling, orders, and payouts, so it's the right place to manage how you receive your money. Inside the selling hub, find and click the Payments tab. This section is where you can review payment-related details and make updates to your payout setup. If you've never connected a bank account before, this area may show prompts asking you to complete your payment settings before receiving deposits. Next, select Payment Settings. In this section, you'll be able to link your bank account. Carefully type in your routing number and your account number exactly as they appear on your bank account details. Take your time here, because even a small typo can delay your payouts or send money to the wrong place. If possible, double-check the numbers before saving anything. Also, make sure the bank account you enter is active and able to receive direct deposits. Depending on your account status, Depop may ask you to verify your identity before your payment setup can be completed. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions and provide the requested information. This verification step is normal and helps protect both sellers and buyers by keeping the platform secure and compliant with payment regulations. Once your bank account is linked and any verification is complete, there's nothing else you need to do to request a payout manually. Depop will automatically send your available balance directly to your bank account. In most cases, deposits take around 2 to 3 business days to clear, so don't worry if the money doesn't appear instantly. Banking times can vary slightly depending on your financial institution. And that's it. Once everything is set up correctly,